Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. You're making her. Okay, I forgot to bring something. Baby, wait, I will give you my phone to watch. Take.
Apple.
Dankeschön. Take it, baby. So guys, I'm coming. Excuse me.
Ow!
Was passiert? Let me show this. I'll put it again for you. Hi guys, welcome back. We have finished the hair. Baby, wait one moment. I promise. Wait.
Okay, I promise. Yeah. Okay, let's promise. I promise. What's I promise? But it's
Stop, Jasmine, please.
hi guys.
Take baby. So see my daughter's hair. Come here so that they will see you. Bend down, baby. Squat down. You can see the hair. Very beautiful. See, we are done. Okay, wait. Let's trim your brother's hair. Stand here. Don't fall. Yes. So I bought this. Newly. I've not used it before. This is the first time. So we are going to unbox it together. Then use it to barb my boy's hair. So this has up to 4 combs. They say 4. Let me look for it. They said trimmer, 4 combs, 1 attachment, cleaning brush. Yeah, I think that is what is it. So you can see how it looks. Let's unbox it. I opened it actually to put the receipt inside where I bought it. So that is why I just open it small, but I have not seen what is inside. This is the receipt.
This is outside the bottom.
What I see?
See.
So this is it.
See. It's a box. See. That's box. You want the box?
So here is the manual.
That's the manual.
Yeah, that's the manual.
That's manual.
Yeah, the manual is in Dutch, half Dutch.
Outdoors.
Yeah,
Half
half
Dutch.
Dutch. Yeah,
Outdoors.
out in English.
I'm English.
Yeah.
See, I'm
Yeah, it's gift English. Yeah.
I love this dish.
Yeah, it's good.
This dish.
Yes. So guys, let's do this.
Let's do this.
After all, I have to look at the manual a little bit. Baby, calming down. Be calming down, my baby. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're a sweetheart.
Can you say that?
Yes, a sweetheart.
Sweetheart.
Yeah, very sweetheart. So
Yeah.
this is the clipper itself. So this is one of the things. This one I think is for shaving beards. Yeah. So opening it, I saw this one, size 13 to 21. I don't need it. I don't think I need it. But if I need it, I will let you know.
Let's talk about it.
So here we have the charger. We also have the combs. Yeah, this is the combs. This is size 2. And this is size 1. Then this is the brush for cleaning. So that is it. So now let's see how the clipper looks like. It's rechargeable, but guys, I did not even recharge the thing before now. I think it has comb already in it. Let's see. Wow, my baby said wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. So this is how I just removed this one from it. It's size 3 to 11. I don't think I will need it. If at all I will need, I will just need size 1.
It's music.
It's very nice, portable and everything. Oh my god. So let's do this.
Let's do this.
Yeah.
Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Mom, let's do this.
You see, Obi is not crying. You can see, right?
Yes.
The boy is not crying. But then, why did you cry?
I go to cry.
Yeah, you don't know what to say? You don't know when you cried?
What's kite?
You were crying. It's okay, don't touch. You were crying, do you know that?
Yeah, it's kite.
You knew? You were crying, right?
I can't wait.
Why did you cry?
I will tell to cat.
Why did you cry? Was moms do, baby?
Let's do, baby.
Was moms do?
Let's do.
Mm.
Did that watch you? Stop on. Here. Let's do it. Mommy, let's do it. Mommy, do it. Mommy, do it. Mommy, do it.
Obi is not crying, can't you see?
I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Oh my god, this clipper is very, 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 very fine. I'm telling you guys, no stress.
A fetish.
Niche fetish.
This fetish.
Yeah, niche fetish.
What is she? Are you shy?
Was? Das?
See? You must
Ja,
know.
ich brauche das nicht.
That's all.
Ja, ich brauche das nicht.
Und der Vater sagt, ich bin da.
Hm.
Ich bin da. Ich bin da. Ich bin da.
Was sagst du?
Ich bin da.
Was?
Ich bin da.
Bitte? Bitte was? Bitte was?
It's sweet. Let's do it. Mama, let's do the high.
Ist heiß? Heiß or heiß? Baby, shift smoke, bitte.
Okay, high. Okay, high. I wish I can high.
Hm?
Follow.
9. Don't do that, please. Mark das nicht, ja? Markt das nicht. Entschuldigung, bitte. Entschuldigung.
Bisa?
Hm?
Bisa?
Was?
Baby is bisa.
Hm?
Baby is bisa. See? Wow! I like it. Yay!
You like what?
Yeah, it's
Hey, the clipper is so nice though. Jesus. So they trim the baby hair. Bala bala mara. Hey, bala bala.
Bye bye. Bye. The boat. This one. Two. I look for here. So it's sweet. It's sweet.
9, bitte.
Also, yeah, this. I know. We're not doing hair. What's it? What's it?
9.
Oh! Hello, baby. Hello, baby. It's your salad. 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 It's your salad.
So I'll use size 1 because I don't want to trim everything. So let me find size 1.
Yeah.
This is size 1. I'll fix it here. Genau. Then I will.
It's perfect.
Hmm?
Also,
Hmm? What's this? Hmm? What is it, really?
oh, I'm going about.
Hmm? Hmm.
Oh,
That's a 9. 9 beaten. See your nose. Come and clean. Oh. Come and clean your nose. Do you know what I don't want you to do? I don't want you to take the hairs to the room. You know, I just cleaned those places. I don't want to clean again. Can you hear me?
yes.
Then obey what I'm saying. Understand? Yes? Yeah? Say yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Up to about. Hey, boy.
So guys, this hair is almost done.
Oh my God.
I'm just taking my time to
I took my time.
fine tune it, especially this front part. Wow, this is so nice. The clipper is so good.
Take both. No, I just think both. It's good. Check.
One moment. Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah, I'm done with this. So wait.
There. Why would you go?
Yes, we are done now. There's brush and I'm using my mouth. So I will use the brush to clean it. Please stop. The hair is here. Stop here. Good girl. So I'm done, guys. Thank you for joining. If you didn't join before I finish, you can watch back. Thank you so much for always coming around, for supporting. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. I need to wash him off now, like wash off the hair, wash him down, so that there will be no hairs. So then I will charge this. I have to charge it. See you guys. Thank you, baby. Say thank you.
Baby, say thank you.
You yourself say thank you, baby.
Baby.
Say thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.
And I will see you again.
We'll see you again.
Baby, look up so that they will see your hair. Look up, baby. Look to the camera. Look here. Oh my God! Look at this boy. Look at this boy. Oh my God. Baby, raise up your head now. Raise up your head. He don't want to raise his head, but the hair is fine. The clipper made it easier. Just when you're hitting his head. Look up, baby. See. Say hi, guys. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.